Today I'm going to be replacing some pickets on the fence I got in the yard, and I'm making some of my own pickets out of 1x4s. I just marked down 10 3/4, marked the square line, flip that square over, and I'm going to use that 45-degree as a guide for the skill saw. Just like that, I've got one side. Now all you got to do is flip that square directly over, and you'll have your 45-degree for the other side. Once you get in the groove, this will go real quick. If you don't have a miter saw, this is an easy way to do it right here. I do have a miter saw, but I only had a few boards to do today, and I didn't want to drag it out. This right here, I give you a perfect point at the top using this square as a guide. Pretty simple, people. Boom, just like that, you got a perfect fence picket. Here I'm just using my DeWalt drill to remove some rotten boards that I was forced to use last week until I could get some new treated 1x4s. I got these from Lowe's. They were 1x4s by 8 foot long treated, and if you ask them to, they'll cut your board in half for you right there. So that made it real easy. Here I'm using a 2-foot level as a spacer, and right there, kaboom. That right there is my new toy. That is a Metabo 18 gauge brad nailer, and it works like a charm, people. And I didn't get it new. I got it used, and you need one too. You could probably use a bigger nail gun, and you wouldn't have to use a drill and a screw at all. But I just love the fact that I could use that brad nailer, pop in a brad top and bottom, and then go back with the drill and put in the screws. It'll never back out. That screw will hold it, and it won't back out like nails will. Sooner or later, those nails will let you down.
And this brad nailer I got,
that 2-foot level of mine works out real good to use it for a spacer, and also to make sure that each one of those fence pickets stays straight up and down, don't get off, start looking slanted.
There you go.
Repeat. Take down the rock and hold on.
I love this nail gun. Those are mine. That's probably all you really need, but I got the screws, so what the heck.
And you can see I got a few more to do. And here it is. That's just that section I just did. That Metabo brad nailer helped a whole lot, people. Get yourself one if you can.